Hi, I'm Noelia and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these super voluminous, soft, bouncy curls using my absolute favorite product from Moroccan Oil, the Curl Defining Cream.
So we are starting off on freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, and since this product is so nourishing, I like to make sure that each of my strands are fully coated with this product. This product contains argan oil, anti-static agents, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein. All of these ingredients combined help soften, nourish, hold, and help prevent frizz. Once my hair is fully styled, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse to speed up my drying process and of course for that added volume.
And these are my dry results. Look at how defined and shiny these curls look. I'm loving how free and fluffy they feel as well. If you guys are looking for a product that gives you a ton of moisture, definitely recommend the Moroccan Oil Curl Defining Cream. It is absolutely amazing.